chances in the first half. Positive. Yeah, as the half went on, I think we mixed it too little. There was too many long balls. Should have mixed it with playing on the ground more. But yeah, if we take it this game and compare it to the first game, it's a big step forward. Many improvements. But the priority in this match or these matches was to see a lot of players we haven't seen before play for Jamaica, and we did. Everybody got minutes. Some of them really did well with their minutes. Some we need to wait for maybe a little bit longer. So I'm happy with having these games. Of course, we didn't score in neither games. They scored one. It's what counts in football. But overall, I think big improvement. I think the players have taken in a lot of things that they showed today. Big improvements from last match in Tampa Bay.
So, Coach, you said you're looking at some young players to see who can make the grade going forward. Who are you impressed with after the games?
I don't want to count numbers here. It's about the team. It's about the team. We played more as a unit, as one as a team. But I'm not going to count the players here in the media. Of course, we analyze the games. Both the games much better than we have done in the first game. So, but I'm not going to pick players. Some players really had a good performance today. You probably know as well as me.
Coach, are you concerned the fact that we couldn't sustain high pressure in dangerous areas, knowing that we're playing against a team that plays such a low block?
No, because Trinidad has similar strength as Jamaica, so they are really dangerous, putting balls behind and running behind us. So they are really good in the air. So when we were pressing, a long ball could always hurt us. So of course you have to mix it. You cannot be high pressing all the time. It's impossible for 90 minutes against a good opponent.
Coach, you talked about the long balls from the back to the front earlier. Is it that you're lacking creativity in the middle of the park, hence the balls going from back to front?
Probably it's more stress than quality. Some players are playing their first national team matches now in the international stadium. The stadium they have been wanting all their lives to play in front of a crowd. So no, I think it's more stress than lack of quality.
Coach, over the two games, both in Montego Bay and Kingston, what were the most things that you were most pleased with? In terms of, did you see a better performance from Montego from tonight as the Saturday?
Yeah, I think we were more working as one team today, both when attacking and defending. I think we had really good moments where we should have done better with the last pass, with the cross, so we created a lot more good openings today. We should have probably needed the third match against Trinidad to score a goal, but with this improvement, for sure these players would have done better in the next game. So that pleases me. And also to give someone the first national team game